Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Speak Now. I'm David, here with Anna, and this is day 13.
Hello, everyone. In our modern world, we all wait for deliveries. A package from an online shop, a birthday gift, a piece of furniture. And sometimes they're late, or lost, or delivered to the wrong place.
When that happens, we need to make a phone call. And phone calls are one of the scariest kinds of English speaking because you can't see the other person's face.
But by the end of this episode, you'll be able to call about a package with calm confidence. You'll explain the problem, ask the right questions, and hang up feeling good.
Have you ever avoided a phone call because you were nervous about the English? Sound familiar? Don't worry, today we make delivery calls simple. Why does this matter? Because online shopping is a huge part of modern life. Packages come and go every day, and sometimes something goes wrong.
And here's the consequence if you can't handle it. Your package sits somewhere lost. You lose money. You miss a birthday gift arrival. You feel powerless.
But with these phrases, you can take action calmly. You call, explain, ask, and get answers. That's real independence in a new country.
This one call could save your day, your gift, or your money. Worth learning.
Common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, saying, "My package no come." The natural way is, "My package hasn't arrived yet." That word "yet" is powerful. It means up to now.
Mistake number 2. Forgetting to say who you are or why you're calling. Start clearly. "Hello, I'm calling about my delivery." That way the person knows exactly why you called.
Mistake number 3, not having your order number ready. Before you call, find your order number. It's usually in a confirmation email. This saves so much time.
Mistake number 4, getting emotional or angry on the phone. Even when packages are late, kindness works best. Take a deep breath, speak calmly. You'll get better help.
Mistake number 5, forgetting to ask for a next step. Always end the call with a clear plan. "So what happens next?" Or, "When will you contact me?"
All fixable. Let's learn the phrases. Step by step.
Step number 1, the opening. "Hello, I'm calling about my delivery." Or, "Hello, I'm calling about a package I'm expecting."
Step number 2, the problem. "My package hasn't arrived yet," or "My package is very late."
Step number 3, give your details. "My order number is 12345. Or, "My name is Anna, and my order was placed last Monday."
Step number 4, ask them to check. "Can you check my order, please?" Simple and polite.
Step number 5, ask about the arrival. "When will it arrive?" Or, "Do you know where it is now?"
Step number 6, ask for the next step. "So what happens next?" Or, "What should I do now?"
Step number 7, warm closing. "Thank you for your help. Goodbye."
In action. "Anna, you work for the delivery company."
"Hello, how can I help?"
"Hi, I'm calling about my delivery. My package hasn't arrived yet. My order number is 12345. Can you check for me?"
"Let me check that for you. Yes, it will arrive tomorrow."
"Great, thank you so much. Goodbye." Calm, clear, complete. That's the goal.
Mini recap. Opening line, explain the problem, give your details, ask them to check, ask when it arrives, ask for the next step. Warm goodbye. Home practice.
Exercise number 1, the opening. "Hello, I'm calling about my delivery." Say it out loud 5 times in a calm voice.
Exercise number 2, the problem line. "My package hasn't arrived yet." Say it clearly, 5 times.
Exercise number 3, the safety phrases. Practice. "Sorry, can you repeat that? Could you speak a little slowly, please?" These save you when the person talks fast.
Exercise number 4, the whole call. Play both roles at home. Full call from hello to goodbye.
Exercise number 5, mental prep. Before any real call, Run through your phrases silently. Have your order number ready. Take a deep breath. Calm.
Small prep beats big panic.
Feelings.
Challenge number 1. Phone calls scare me. That's so normal. Even native speakers get nervous. The fix is preparation. Know exactly what you're going to say. Then it's just a small script.
Challenge number 2. The person on the phone speaks too fast. Ask politely. Sorry, could you speak a little slowly? I'm still learning English. Kind people always slow down.
Challenge number 3. I lose confidence when they say something unexpected. That's why the phrase, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" is your best friend. Use it as often as you need. It's not rude, it's smart.
Don't give up. Each phone call makes the next one easier.
Useful words. Delivery, the sending of a package to your home. Order, what you bought online. Track, to follow the location of your package. Confirmation, an email or message that proves your order was received. Try one today.
3 quick questions.
Question 1. What natural phrase means, "The package has not come"? Question 2. What should you have ready before your call? Question 3. What question closes the call with a clear next step? Wonderful!
Recap. Opening. Problem. Details. Ask them to check. Ask arrival time. Ask next step. Warm goodbye.
You've just added phone calls to your list of confident English situations. That's a big deal.
Our question for you. Comment below. What's something you ordered recently? Did it arrive on time?
And please, like, share, and subscribe to DR Speak Now.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Dr. Speak Now.